Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the Antutu benchmark test results between the Snapdragon 865 versus Snapdragon 870 chipset versus the Snapdragon 888. The Snapdragon 865 chipset which I am using is a Oneplus 80 device, as you can see here friends, and the Snapdragon 870 chipset which is I am using about a Poco X3 or the Redmi K40 device, so which is also called as the Poco F3. So right now I do have the Mi11 which has a Snapdragon 888 chipset. So right now in the market, Snapdragon 888 is currently a very powerful chipset. So let's see what's the difference can it be there between the 888 versus 870 versus 865. And during this kind of testing, I'll try to do the testing completely again from the beginning. So I'll be using the 120 Hz refresh rate. Let me try to quickly show you what are the settings I am trying to use. So just to make sure that I am using the same options in all the three smartphones, as you can see here friends. So 120 Hz. So all the three smartphones displays are enabled with the 120 Hz refresh rate, you can clearly see, and the Mi11 is also enabled with the Quad HD resolution, if that is a thing if you want to know. So let me quickly open the Antutu benchmark application and start doing the test here. So brightness I did set to the 70% of the brightness in all the three smartphones. So 70% brightness is selected. So let me try to connect only to the Wi-Fi connection. So all the phones are connected only to the Wi-Fi connection. So I started the test at same time in all the three smartphones. So let me try to quickly show you the temperature readings. So temperature reading on the OnePlus 8T is about 28 degrees. On the Poco F3 and the Redmi K40, so 29 degrees. As you can see on the Mi11 as well. So 28 degrees, 29 and 29 degrees. So let's see friends, which phone will be having more temperature and which has the better fastest Antutu benchmark result as well, which will be finishing as well. I'll try to show you which will complete faster. So if you want any other comparison between all the three smartphones, so make sure to comment below friends, what are your specific comparisons you want me to do. So definitely I'll do 100% my best to make the videos as soon as possible. So make sure to comment below what are your thoughts. So the only reason I kept saying the Poco F3 because Poco F3, by the time I did the video, the Poco F3 did not get launched still. So there are a couple of rumors going on that Poco F3 is kind of Redmi K40 same model. So this will be the perfect example to demonstrate you which processor is kind of very powerful chipset. So again I'll be back friends once the test has been successfully completed in all the three smartphones. So then we can discuss what are the scores and which phone has a better advantage. As you can see friends, the test has been successfully completed in both the phones, in the Mi11 and in this Redmi K40, so which is the Poco F3 device. So you can see the scores for yourself. It's close to 7 lakhs in this phone and 6 lakhs 20,000. Temperature 37 degrees and 39 degrees, so slightly higher the temperature here. And the OnePlus 80 just now has completed the result. As you can see, 5 lakhs 65,000 and the temperature is about 34 degrees. So overall, one thing I did observe is that the temperature in this OnePlus 80 is very lower. As you can see, it only increased by 4.9 degrees, but whereas in the other smartphones, it increased by 9 degrees and 10 degrees in the Mi11 device, as you can see here friends clearly. So this is an overall benchmark comparison between these three smartphones, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more future comparisons regarding the display, camera, loudspeaker. I'll try to do so many videos. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.